Online classes are fast. Teachers keep changing slides, and students, they're still writing the first line. By the end of the class, your notes are incomplete, messy, and useless. But what if I tell you AI can listen to your class, write notes for you, summarize everything, and even prepare revision notes? Today, I'll show you the best AI note-taking apps for online classes that every student should use. Most students think note-taking means writing everything manually, but that's outdated. AI note-taking apps can record your lectures, convert speech into text, summarize long explanations, highlight important exam points. This means less writing, more understanding, and faster revision. Here comes the first app is Notion AI. This is the interface of Notion AI. Notion AI is not just a note app. It's like a smart notebook powered by AI. You can paste your class notes, PDFs, or transcripts and ask AI to summarize the lecture, create headings and bullet points, make exam-ready notes, even generate questions. It is best for organized notes and ideal for college students. But remember, Notion AI does not record live classes. You must paste the content manually. The next is Otter.ai, the best app for live online classes. This is the interface of Otter.ai. Otter listens to your lecture in real time and converts page into text automatically. Even if the teacher speaks fast, Otter never misses a word. It records the live classes and it gives the instant notes. After the class ends, Otter gives you full transcript, auto summary, and highlighted important points. Yeah, it comes with certain limitations, like it has free version and it has monthly limits that works best in English. The next is Microsoft OneNote plus Copilot. Here is the interface of OneNote. If you use Windows or Microsoft apps, this one is perfect. OneNote with AI Copilot lets you record audio, type notes, ask AI to summarize everything later. It's good for long-term notes and sync across the devices. Yeah, it comes with certain limitations, like Copilot AI is paid, but OneNote itself is free. Next is Google Docs plus AI. Here is the interface of Google Docs. This is the most beginner-friendly option. Google Docs have voice typing, and with AI add-ons, it becomes a smart note-taking tool. It's free and simple and is best for beginners. Its limitation is you need to manually start recording and summarizing. Is NotebookLM. Here is the interface of NotebookLM. This app is a game changer for exam preparation. NotebookLM allows you to upload PDFs, notes, lecture transcripts, and then you can ask questions directly from your material. It's best for exams and deep understanding. Which app should you use? If you attend live classes, use Otter.ai. For daily notes, you can use Notion AI. For exams, NotebookLM is very good. And for free option, just use Google Docs. Smart students use more than one app. I'm giving you some quick tips to use AI notes effectively. First, always review AI notes once. Second, add diagrams manually. Third, ask AI to create MCQs. And last, convert notes into flashcards. If this video helped you, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more AI tools that make students' life easy.